This seminar presents a simple strategy to put your mind at ease during times like now, when there is so much uncertainty. In light of recent market volatility, and during and after major life events, like the COVID-19 pandemic, we will discuss steps to take with your existing accounts and future contributions, so you can put your mind at rest while still growing your wealth. Topics presented at this seminar include avoiding market timing pitfalls, planning for more tough times, and fluctuating asset allocation. This seminar is a part of our ongoing educational curriculum. At the end of each seminar, there will be time set aside for questions and answers, along with the ability for every participant to sign up for a one-on-one private and confidential session. For more information, call us at 888-679-8689 or send an email to admin@mmeonline.org.